Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, nature lovers. Hope you all well, hope you're all fine. Hope your quarantine is going well. So today I am in nature guys. You can hear the birds singing, the sky is blue, everything is good in nature guys. And we have to know that we are nature because trees, humans and plants have a symbiotic relationship. That's why nature is very wonderful. So today I want to share with you the meaning of love. I want to talk about love. And my definition of love is that love is all, love is life, love is everything. And yesterday I listened the Will Smith speech about love, and he said that, I'm going to read it, everybody is having a hard time, so love is really devotion to their struggle. It's when you are committed to helping somebody with their life, helping them to suffer less, helping them to manage their minds and their emotions. I think love is a deep desire for our loved ones' growth and their blossoming, their all-around being. When you love somebody, you want them to feel good, you want them to be happy, and you want them to succeed in life. And love really demands an in-deep understanding of their hopes and their needs, their dreams, their fear and trauma. I think love is giving and sharing our gift for the purpose of nurturing them, empowering them, and helping them to create their greatest joys. I think it's a very nice speech, and I really enjoy it. And when I listened to this speech, I realized that everything we embrace in life goes in the same way. That's why we have to put love in the center of our life. So that's it. Stay well, stay strong, stay healthy, be patient. Take care of you, take care of your family. I see you on my next one with an ocean of love. Bye bye.